Have you packed everything for our trip? Have you packed everything for our trip?
Almost done, just packing my sunglasses now. Almost done, just packing my sunglasses now.
Do you remember the tickets and the map? Do you remember the tickets and the map?
Yes, they are inside my small bag. Yes, they are inside my small bag.
Did you lock all the windows properly? Did you lock all the windows properly?
Yes, everything is locked and secure now. Yes, everything is locked and secure now.
Look at those green fields beside the road. Look at those green fields beside the road. How long until we reach the hills? How long until we reach the hills?
Maybe 4 more hours? According to the map, maybe 4 more hours, according to the map.
We are finally entering the hilly area now. We are finally entering the hilly area now.
Look, the road is winding through the hills. The road is winding through the hills. I am putting on my jacket right now. I am putting on my jacket right now. Can we take some photos here together? Can we take some photos here together?
Of course we should capture this moment. Of course we should capture this moment.
Smile, I am taking the picture now. Smile, I am taking the picture now.
This place deserves a proper photo album. This place deserves a proper photo album.
I agree, this view is truly unforgettable. I agree, this view is truly unforgettable.
The wind feels so refreshing up here. The wind feels so refreshing up here.
Should we take a walk before dinner? Should we take a walk before dinner?
Yes, let us explore around the resort.
Yes.
Let us explore around the resort. What should we order for dinner tonight? What should we order for dinner tonight?
Maybe some local dishes, something new for us. Maybe some local dishes, something new for us.
We should sleep early for tomorrow's adventure. We should sleep early for tomorrow's adventure.
Good idea, I am already feeling sleepy. Good idea, I am already feeling sleepy. Wake up! The sky is turning orange already. Wake up! The sky is turning orange already.
Wow, I cannot believe how early you woke. I cannot believe how early you woke.
Look, the sun is rising above the hills. Look, the sun is rising above the hills. I am so glad we woke up early. I am so glad we woke up early.
We should take a few pictures before leaving. We should take a few pictures before leaving.